inside the Niger Delta.
And in Bayelsa State, lawmaker representing Sagbama Ikirimo Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Honorable Fred Agbedi, has called on the federal government to immediately intervene in the plight of Asamabiri community in Sagbama local government area of the state, which has come under the siege of coastal erosion. Honorable Agbedi's calls follows a recent landslide that left properties worth millions of naira destroyed in the community.
Residents of Asamabiri community, who are predominantly farmers and fisher folks, depend on their land for survival. Unfortunately, vast portions of arable land have been lost over the years to periodic landslide occasioned by coastal erosion. Recently, there was another landslide that caused a huge panic in the community.
We are scared on what is going to happen next. Our plea to the federal government, donor agency, and all the agencies that have been handling issues like this should please come to our aid.
Some of the worst victims of the recent landslide are subsistence farmers now confronted with limited land to grow their crops.
This erosion incident has been on since the early 70s. But in the early 90s, the federal government intervened with this current erosion control that we have here. But the intervention was not inclusive enough, in the sense that the length it took was not enough, which is the reason why we are having this failure that we are observing now. And the one we have now is so devastating than even what we had before.
The situation has drawn the attention of Honorable Fred Agbedi, whose federal constituency covers Asamabiri community.
If immediate action is not taken before the next rains, we are of course waiting for a bigger calamity to happen to these people. And so my call on the federal government is to intervene almost immediately through the Ecological Fund.
Honorable Agbedi's recent tour of his constituency took him to Agoro community, where a fire outbreak in a local market had gutted several stalls and homes. Left stranded and displaced by the Agoro fire incident, its victims have appealed to relevant authorities for financial assistance.
That was on the 3rd of January when this fire incident occurred. When I came here, I'm with all of my trousers with anything, so there is nothing that was surviving in the house. Everything burned off.
Honorable Agbedi, who has made a personal commitment to assist victims of the fire incident, wants the federal government to come to their aid.
It's unfortunate that this has happened to people who are managing their lives, with their shops, their trade, their businesses that hand them living, with which they hack out their own living every day. I'm calling on NEMA to intervene.
In recognition of Agbedi's many contributions to the development of his constituency and other parts of Bayelsa State, the state chapter of the Nigerian Union of Journalists has conferred an award of excellence on the federal lawmaker.
Inside the Niger Delta.